Alright everybody, today I'm going to be installing Windows 98 and show you how to install it. So we boot up on disk and we go there and it says select which one you want to do. I want to do number 1. Let's go. Alrighty, welcome to Microsoft 98 setup. Okay, to install it, press enter. Configure, go enter, restart the computer, so go enter, and we'll go from the CD again. Okay. Now it's saying setup is preparing to install Windows, go enter. Alright, welcome to Windows 98 setup. Continue. Alright. Now it's going to say where do you want to install it. So you're going to go next. And we're just going to do typical install here, which is what you typically do. And you go next and install. And I'm going to name it Thomas. Enter. Select your region, so I'm in New Zealand, so I'm going to go New Zealand, and then install. And we're almost done. And look at that, the computer's about to restart, so we're going to click enter and restart the system. Running Windows for the first time. It's going to ask us a name. Let's enter it. Now this is where you get the license agreement. Do you agree to Windows? Agree. If you don't say agree, you cannot install it, so go I agree. Now Windows will ask you for your Microsoft product key. Now this will be located on the disk or on the back of your certificate you got. So we're just going to put it in here. So this is our code. Once you got it entered, you click next and it'll say information is saved. Press finish to start installing. Okay, and there we go. Now it's going to be restarting and do a few things. So we're just going to wait. You can hard disk, let the boot. Now Microsoft Windows 98 is still setting up hardware, so we'll be back when it comes. Now we are presented with the Microsoft time and date. So the time and date is the 12th to the 14th, and the time zone is incorrect. I'm just going to change that. Plus 1200 hours. So we're going to go. Alright, Windows is now installing and doing all the last minute things. Our computer says restart, so we're going to restart. And here we go, we are booting up to Windows 98. So look. Error has occurred. That's okay. And the password. And then let it just set up. There we go, we are in the Windows 98 and that's what it looks like when it comes to it. And there you go, that's Windows 98 installed on the PC. So it seems to be working very well. So you got your start menu, you got everything here. You got your programs, your online, entertainment, everything. Pretty cool. Which is fantastic. So this is Windows 98 installed on the PC. Look at that, it looks epic. Pretty cool. So there you go, that's Windows 98 installed on the PC. That's how support is to install on your computer, and then you can install other programs, etc. when you want, which is pretty cool. I love going to my documents and seeing anything in documents. Nothing in there, of course nothing because we just installed it, but look at that, it works pretty cool. Let's see what's in my recycle bin. Nothing. Awesome. So that's Windows 98 installed and working flawlessly. So there you go. Enjoy.